Guys, what's up? Disco Spark here, and today we'll be playing Wolf Quest again. That's my sister. It's me. Let's get started. Okay. Wait. Pizza. Alright, from where we left off, we were just going up to see if we can find a maid. And let's get right into it. Wait, no. No, it's a lesbian. The shadow's a girl. Oh, yeah. Coyote! I'm sorry, cousin. Oh, third cousin. I have to kill you. You want to eat my pups if I ever end up having you. Rest in peace, Coyote. Oh my gosh. Already. Wait, two. Actually, three. Oh, yes. Come to me. Oh my god, that's a long way. Oh, dispersal. Oh, it's the same colors. It's a male. Hello? It's a male. Hi. Hello. Let's play. Yeah, let's hang out. I like you. Yeah, wait, it's a boy. Exactly. You're a female. She was a girl. Alright. He's a man. Let's play. Let's play. Let's play. He's behind the bush. Let's start attack. Let's start attack. That licking sounds like it's licking meat. Yeah, or it's biting your face. Let's start a pack. Some are like frosty. It's like the same color as. Oh, that's cool. That's never happened before. This wolf becomes your mate. I don't know what to name him. One of your boys' name of your wolf. What? You know the wolves that are boys? Maybe Lock. Senpai. No. That's Senpai. Lock. Yanchan. No, that's a girl. No. He's a male. Bruh. No. What we gonna name ya? What we gonna name? Name. So a Socky. Smokey. Oh. Smokey. I like Socky. No. Oh dear. Oops. I just asked one of my friends if they could help choose a name because I'm lost. Smokey. There we go. Okay, mate. Happy. Yay! Oh, you can do things now? We've always been able to do this. What? Libel. I didn't know that. Bro. Woof. Woofity woof. Let's go. We gotta go to the star. Why? Because that's where to, and you gotta, yeah, it's where we're going to get pups. It's gonna be our den choices. Yeah. Like, to choose a game. Where's a good, here's a boy. I don't know why. It's our pack ones. Yeah. Go to slow tree. No, please don't cry. It's probably just loading. Yeah, probably. Bubbles' life is about one thing, passing on its genes to the next generation. All else, from hunting elk to defending a territory, drives towards the single goal. You and your mate survive all the hazards of the wilderness long enough to meet each other, form a bond, and survive the winter. Now you can try to realize the goal. Pups of your own, you and your mate will become the breeding pair, formerly called alphas, of your pack. Their survival and the survival of your genetic code will be your responsibility. Even with all the dangers you have faced to reach this point, your real struggle has only just begun. Try to survive. Look for a den. We've got a den not really close. I've always liked the one over here. I've always gone for the tree den. Because that's more safe, and if it rains, it's also close to the water. No, not the water. It's closest to a go hunting. Yeah, I can see it. I can just see it. Mm-hmm. But the bummer is that you have to go just around the creek because it grows to here. There's this tiny spot they can slip across from. Yeah. That's the tiniest. Swim! And you don't want your pups too close to the water or they can drown. And other animals can attack. I think there'll also be bear here. Yeah, it'll try to eat that carcass. But I know the way. And see, wait. Flying animals like birds or any type that can. We'll do some hunting, so we can yeah, there we go. And it will show up. Yeah, wait. You'll be able. With this, we can hunt, and the elk will be here the elk will be here. Right there. When we're moving the pups. And your mate will help. Yeah. That's all. They'll get the same animals, so it will grow fast. That one. No, that one. Show off. That one. Okay. Go. Lag! And you almost have. Wait, it's lag. What's happening? Oh, we're fine. Okay. Oh, good. You seem to be faster. Head it away from the water. It can run across it. He's an NPC. Then slow. The elk is getting slow. The lag. I don't know what I'm doing. The lag. It's auto saving. No, get your butt here. What? How does chase it? Chase it away from her. That's the main thing. You have to chase it away. Because then you lose track of where it is and which one. So you've got to be careful. You got it. Now let's run all the way back. Because you need to, clean your den. Before it gets too dark. Because then you can die. Okay, so anyway, let's go up to the den already. And clean. has our terror. And plus, the trade den has rock. It's also close to 100 grams. Because it's over to the right. Onwards. Onwards to the den. Nearby den. Yay! We can just see it from here. Oh, yeah. So straight ahead of the box. That big right here. Yeah. This one. With the tree growing on top. It's a bit darker than the other trees. That's how I saw it. Choose a den. And you can also go there. You have to mark the territory. Spam P! He's doing it. I'm gonna put name tags on. What? Name tags? It's cool how it gives us XP when doing 9. So we have more XP. And the amount of puppies is 4. But not including your name. Not in. That's because it's not a puppy. Oh. Right, this should take. I'll spend people. No! Don't mess it up. But it's faster. That's not. You literally have to. The letter P, you have to spell the letter P. You can also play this on mobile. Okay. But it's not that tricky. Okay? There's buttons on the side. Yeah. But it's hard to get. It's hard to. You have to do a touchpad. No. It's I mean, there's no touchpad. That's only in computers. Just so. Oh, there's elk. So you're really. It's a keypad. Want me to get. It's all mine. All mine. Wait, it's mine. Oh. It's only mine. Puppies. Wait, how come I can't name? Maybe you do it after? No, you can't. Two American. It's not allowing us to name them. So the name Pretty Eyes. Wait, Pretty Eyes. Pretty easy. Hold on. Are you going to name them? No. Not yet. I'm just checking. That's it. You're biting your shirt. I don't care. I'm gonna make a hole in it. I'm raging. Because you didn't get it. You gotta be kidding me. I'm gonna cry. Well, we're stuck with these things. Female, female, male, male. I'll probably make a new account, but anyway. That'll be it for this video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Ow! Bye!